Hey fam, and welcome back to another episode of my beginner's makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look I like to call Plum Berry. And to start off, this is the Morphe Palette Jewel Crew, and the first color that we're using is Hidden Gem. With Hidden Gem, we are starting our eyeshadow build, and we're basically focusing the color to the outside and the middle of our eyelids using a sweeping motion. Next, in our eyeshadow build, we are using Rock Out, and for this color we are focusing on the inside of our eyelids to create that smooth transition between colors. Okay, so to deepen the plum in our Plum Berry look, we are using Rich Girl. And Rich Girl acts as the transitional shade between Rock Out and Hidden Gem. So when we're adding this color, we want to make sure we add extra emphasis on the blending aspect. The eyeliner that we're using in this video today is the Nano liner by Absolute New York. Since I used the Nano liner to start the wing, I'm using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner to end my wing. I'm going a bit out of order today, but I'm going to do my under lash line, and for this one I'm just using a basic eyeliner pencil that you can get from literally any beauty supply store. I'm using my favorite mascara for this video. This is the Intenseif-Eye mascara to go ahead and prep my eyelashes. And the eyelashes that I'm using for this video is the Cara brand, and the number is 218. I forgot to show it when I was doing the original recording of the video, but this is the Proface Pro Concealer, and the color was Fawn, and I'm basically, just going in to cover up any blemishes that I have on my face. After I've applied my concealer, I go in with my powder foundation. This is Warm Caramel by LA Girl, and I'm just going in to cover my face. And I apologize, I got my grandma in the background. She didn't know I was recording, and she walks back and forth quite a few times. I'm so sorry, y'all. I was so distracted when I was trying to make this video. I forgot to show the lip color that I was using, but I'll have them in the description box below. But they're both by NYX, and they're both like the suede lip creams, but I just don't remember what the names are. So go ahead and check the description box for that. Now that we have our lip colors, our look is complete. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and be sure to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the new content that I drop. And remember, with endless shade, there are endless possibilities. I'll see you guys in the next one.